Squats is a compound exercise, which means it works on multiple muscle groups at the same time. No matter what your age, gender or fitness goals are, squats is one exercise which should be part of everyone's workout routine. Even some fitness experts suggests that if you have not much time to work out, squat is one exercise you should do every day. They're not just for legs, they work on several muscles in your upper and lower body together. Adding squats to your workouts can help boost your exercise performance, decrease your risk of injury, and keep you moving more easily throughout the day. Watch the video till the end, to know the 6 amazing benefits you can get by doing squats. Number 1. Strengthens your core. The muscles groups that link your upper and lower body are known as the core muscles. Having strong core muscles can make everyday movements like turning, bending, and even standing easy. A strong core helps to improve your balance, reduce pain in your lower back, and also helps to maintain a good posture. Squats are one of the best exercises for a strong core, because all of these muscles are engaged while performing them. 2. Prevents injuries. Most athletic and workout injuries involve weak ligaments, connective tissues and stabilizer muscles. Squat works on all the leg muscles together, providing great synchronization for the body. According to the American Council on Exercise, including squats in your overall workout routine helps strengthen your tendons, ligaments, and bones, which can help to reduce your risk of injuries. 3. Build muscles in lower body. Squats are one of the best lower body exercises you can do. Squats are a multi-joint, compound exercise which targets all the major muscles of the lower body, which includes the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, adductors, hip flexors, and calves. They don't just help you achieve wonderful toned legs, but also promote body-wide muscle building by creating a muscle-building environment in the body. 4. Burns calories. Calorie burning is often associated with aerobic exercises such as running or cycling. But the most time-efficient way to burn more calories is by gaining more muscles. For every pound of muscle you gain, your body burns around 35 to 50 calories per day, and because squats help you to build muscles, you'll also become more efficient at burning calories. 5. Remove body waste. Squats improve the pumping of body fluids and aid in removal of waste product within the body. They also improve the delivery of nutrition to all tissues, organs and glands. They even help the movement of feces through the colon and contribute to more regular bowel movements. 6. Helps reduce cellulite. Cellulite can be caused by a variety of factors, one of which is poor circulation, which can seriously impact and accelerate the cellulite formation. Exercise like squats helps to boost your blood flow, and when combined with good nutrition program, your cellulite will soon start to reduce and may even disappear altogether. Are squats exercises part of your workout routine? Please share with us in the comments. If you find this video informative, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here are some other videos you may like to watch. Thanks for watching.